Magandang araw. Ang nagbabagang balita, Deviant. Kumakalat na raw? Ano nga ba ito? Isa na naman ba itong uri ng sakit? Kaso? Bagong kanta? O sayaw? Narito si Carl upang ibalita sa atin o sagutin kung ano nga ba ito. Carl, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng Deviant? Oh, yun nga, Chester, tinatanong mo sa akin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng Deviant. Nagtanong kami kanina sa mga tao dito kung ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin o kung ano yung palagay nila. Narito at panoorin natin.
Ano yan? Slang? Sling? Honey. Diction.
Yeah.
Giraffe.
Bilis na.
Giraffe.
O kaya.
Hippopotamus.
Na.
Hypothalamus.
My brother is not a pig.
I am sorry.
It's the genius. My girl just gimme. My girl just gimme. Me a boom boom God, me no sky God, me no ground God. Me love God, 'cause me love pussy bad. God me come on, no man drive man mad. Come make me take you on a boom boom chat. Girl from Trinidad and Baghdad, girl is that a bad and girl from Mossad. Enough man now, no girl why them sad. Them here you get bun, that's why them glad. Dream girl you a slapper, a boom flicker. Rock chick star, do use that chicken chopper. And if you never stand firm in a two, do with a spitter. Batman DJ, I no sing like scissor. Straight out road, she say oh Mr. Bizarre. Well it's out road, she don't know where me gear. She never know a long time me a look her from the first year when me see her. My girl, gimme. Zaga, gimme. My girl just gimme. When the door close, nothing on the talking. Me want your dress come up, stop the whining. Got me want you hold me like a clothespin. I make your breath stand up, I make your arms shake. My girl just fine from the edge like you a Madman. Put your flicky team, girl, hold it with your hand. Do the robot like you a Megatron. Baby, you want, girl, here comes one. Girl, I real up like Dixie King song. Samantha say, Susie go say, Rosie go say, Beanie Man a one wine stallion. Them take part two, girl, give me part one and gimme. You hold me like a clothespin. I make your breath stand up, I make your heart swing. Tell me why you hold me like a clothespin. I make your breath stand up, I make your heart swing. My girl just gimme.
Everybody line up! The show is about to start. Places! The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Flip it in the air like a motherfucker. Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Push through the dance. Flip it in the air like a motherfucker. If you don't take the motherfucking shirt off. Hey, switch it in the air like a helicopter. What it is, what it gon' be?
Just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to change showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad, I missed you so bad, I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad, and you should know that I missed you so,
Grabe, yung ginawa natin sa akin, hindi ko makakalimutan.
Oo nga, nakakaya. Dahil pang tao na nakakita sa akin. Mga estudyante pang grabe.
Tapos may mga
Oo nga eh. Tapos ano, sabi pa sa akin, dance group, grabe.
Oo nga eh, porque LTC. Pero sobrang makakaya.
Tapos nawala pa ng music, tapos sayaw pa din po.
Tayo lang nakakarinig ng music. Kaya grabe, sobrang makakaya. Pero pinaiwan ko yung ano sa kanila. Tanong din sa ginawa.
Bahala na, hindi na ako babalik doon.
Nakakaya.
Siyempre, nakakahiya. Nagbihis ako sa labas. Tapos, kinabahan doon as actor, di ba? Ang daming baliw dito actually. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko. Yun lang.
We are young, we run free, stay up late, we don't sleep, got our friends, got the night, we'll be alright. Tonight you won't be by yourself.